Sick car, bro. Like, what's done to it, eh?
There's a bit of tire polish on,
Yeah.
you know, and then the Q-Tech wrap just for that extra 5 to 10 kilowatt.
So otherwise it's stock, eh?
Cape Town stock, bro. All the way,
100%.
all the way.
Shot, bro.
Shot, man. And we're back.
Hey, morning.
Morning, guys. We are on our way to the performance unit dyno day. Cool. So I got woken up at 6:45 to be at Keegan for 7:30 so that we can leave and be at the dyno day by 8. But it's now 8:10 and we're still standing in his garage.
I almost drank all my water and I haven't even left.
So everyone's going to be really disappointed today because the rock's not coming. Yeah, you heard it here first. So instead of the Scirocco, Keegan has actually sorted out something else. Alright guys, we're on our way. We're in for the Geeks TK today. Huh? How's your moms? How's your moms?
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me?
So for about 20 minutes we were looking for Castor, but we kind of found him.
Come on. Come on.
I just want to find out, what do you do for a living?
I love chickens. I love the chickens.
Alright, have a nice day. Thanks a lot. How's it going, Bags? What the fuck?
Hey, I don't know what that was. We have a Revo Mark 7R here. That's gonna go on, so we're expecting like over 300 from this car. Surely, brother.
Surely.
And then, is that a Supra?
It's a Supra. Yeah, but how does one dyno a Supra?
Look, it's complicated. You gotta push the start button 3 times. You gotta hold in the trip reset meter, and it'll bring up an option that says test mode. Select test mode, bang. Got the car on the dyno.
Wait, so what's changed from the last time?
Performance unit ethanol supplied, E98 MHD file. Yeah, we'll see.
Give it to our girls. 5 billion and 40 naughty shorty.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from us today. It's been a long day. Look at these gangsters here. It's been a freaking long day. Please like, subscribe, give all of these guys follows on Instabuzz and all that good shit. Caster, anything you want to add?
It's gold. That was a fantastic day last year.
Yeah, and it was a great performance from Caster, official Caster on the decks.
Thanks.
That was great. It was a great vibe.
Yeah, it was good fun. Enjoyed it.
Alright, catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hi guys, it's Keeks CKA in Brackenfell. Brackenfell! Oh shit!